Good morning, this is Mr. Irgun with an update for the OLE Computers course. I want to talk a little bit about some issues we're having with the Excel portion of your coursework. You are supposed to complete a certain number of activities. On Excel, for example, there are 3 parts to the Excel creation and formatting portion of the course. I've had some students download the Excel worksheet creation worksheet, where you're supposed to add the information. They type their name and then they upload it. That is not what the directions say. And I just want to point out that the course does spell out specifically in exact detail how to complete the assignment. Students who choose to try to just guess or do the minimum and hope that they will get by, that's not really working out for you. So I'm going to just remind all students that they have an obligation to follow the directions. Here's what I'm talking about. If you take a look at step 3, for example, it tells you specifically not only what to type, but where to type it. It is a grid system. For example, in cell A8, type the month. Okay, that's doable. If you're wondering, where do I get this information? It's still on the student guide. So the student guide tells you exactly what you were supposed to have on the assignment. Please, I cannot stress this enough. Do not submit work that is incomplete, that you have not tested first, or that you have not actually followed the guide information. It does take me additional time to go through this, and if it becomes a pattern, then I have to set up a parent meeting and other actions have to happen. I do hope that you guys are able to continue to work a couple hours each week, even if it's just an hour and a half. That's more than doable. Most of you are at about 50% done with the course, which is really incredible when you think we started in September and we need to be done by May 7th. You're doing a great job. So keep it up. Make sure to log on every day. Attendance, because it has been a problem, I just want to remind everyone, if you do not show up on a day that you're required to, that means log into the OLE Computers course and complete the coursework, even a small amount, I'm not going to do any makeup sessions. We do need you to fulfill your end of your responsibilities, so those will be absences that will not go away. So please be mindful of that as well. If you have any questions or issues, please let me know, and we'll see you soon.